Okay, let's start. So we have three topics. It's our current release, future release, and questions and answers. So our current release. As I present last time, we start landing page and we have enough templates and we have a lot of feedback from customers. So our landing pages works well, and if you have any questions, suggestions, please inform us about that. And don't forget that every web page you can just click checkbox in a menu item and activate each template like landing page. So our next update is our plugin for Vesta control panel. We have now about 10 plugins and Vesta is here, so all people who use Vesta control panel can use our product as well. Our next release is our tiny plan. We have 3 plans now. You can resell us in 3 different ways. It's full site builder, it's light site builder, and now we have tiny version. Tiny version has less templates, only 30. Light version have about 60 templates, and full version have all templates. So now you can resell us in 3 different ways. We recommend to provide tiny version for free customers, light version for maybe some minimal plans, and full site builder with full plans. What do you need? Just in your license, type that these plans will use tiny builder version. Just type plan here, and it starts works after installation. So our next release is our e-commerce. We had a lot of feedbacks from people when will you have e-commerce. So we divide e-commerce in 2 parts. It's a store and a shopping cart. So a store is that component that you see here. It's a component for product input. You can input 10, 20 or 1000 products here. You can customize them, put all prices, and it's like a comfortable catalog for everyone. If you would like to sell these goods, you just drag and drop store cart and it starts works immediately. So we provide this feature maybe some weeks ago. Cart we started only today. So we have already some thousand users who use our shopping cart and are satisfied with that. If you have any questions or suggestions, please inform me or my team. Very important notice that we related payment gateways, and we have 3 payment gateways. So when we add new payments gateways in the future, it will add it to the e-commerce automatically. So if you have not very popular payment gateway, we can add it to the e-commerce as well. So our future releases in some next months we will have plugins for hosting controller. In July in June, July we start Atomia, and we will have integration with Bill Manager and with AppDirect. So if you have that platforms, you can use our product as well. So this summer we will provide our amazing update. It's marketplace. Only some builders in the world have marketplace. As I know, only Wix has it. So what is marketplace? We will keep all our plugins, and we will have much more plugins. We already have about 10 or 20 plugins that not on our website, and we will provide ability for third parties to program plugins by themselves. So you can customize your builder in the future. So you can put, for example, not YouTube, but your local video provider, or for example, don't use Google Maps, or maybe use Yandex Maps or other provider, and you can put your local social networks, you can put your local payments, local geo services, so you can customize as you want. And what is important is that third parties can write plugins by themselves, and only you, hosting provider, can decide what type of plugins enable or disable. It will be up to you. So what we're planning to do this month, we will rebuild all our templates. We have 180 templates by the moment, and we will repair and we will update all of them. So it will be new style, more fashionable, and all your customers will get new templates by the end of the month. It's free of charge. It's just everybody have it. And we will add more effects till the end of the summer. We will have a lot of different effects like parallax scrolling, some flying effects, and some new galleries. So we will work hard this summer. And I'm just waiting for your questions, if you have some. Okay, can you use free license, not just for testing? So of course, if you have free license, you can use it and you can test with end customers as well. Only limitation that end customers will see our logo. Only one limitation. But if you have free license, for example, we have two types of free licenses. If it's a basic free license, so it has no limitations for users quantity. But if you have like a license for like a full free license for 1 month, it's just like a short trial, so you can use it 100%. Right. Okay, so questions from Nick. Which plugin for hosting panels you will grade next? So just go here. Now we're just making integration now with Atomia and hosting controller. It may be, and with AppDirect. Just we're planning to have Atomia this month and hosting controller and billing next month. AppDirect this summer. But sometimes it comes faster, sometimes it goes slower. It not depend on us, it's depend on panel 2, because we have a lot of questions to discuss with them. So by the moment, all these integrations are in progress. We're planning to close Atomia this month. If we succeed, maybe hosting controller and bill manager as well. If you need some other panels, please just inform me or inform my team, write us a ticket or write on a website. We will add your panel to our list. So this is our existing panels. Well, a lot of them, and these panels are coming. I would like to see a new template category like basic or build yourself. Like when you first install WordPress, little content, just menu and logo at the top, and no content. Some customers do not understand. Okay, we get some feedbacks like that. I just put it in our job list, yeah, in our work list. So we will have it this month, of course. So this work is in our list, so you will have it this month. You can't integrate payment gateway by the moment, but you will have ability maybe in 1-2 months, maybe in 2 months. And what is important, when you integrate your payment gateways, it will automatically goes to the e-commerce, and it will be inside Builder like a plugin. So it will be in 2 places at one time. So people can add like a button with this payment gateway, and it automatically works on e-commerce. Okay, now we have 180 templates, and about 9 of them are prepared for landing pages. But on all templates, you can just click here, just enable it, and any template became landing. Just one click. Just go to settings, enable landing, and any template became landing. We just have like these 9 templates are just prepaid for landings like 100%. But you can enable your website in landing mode just clicking here. That's all. Yes, of course you can set different limitations. Just go here and provide that tiny builder will be for that plan. So everybody who has free plan will have tiny version, and everybody who have gold package or silver package will have light plan. So can I customize site builder? Use my own plugins. So you can customize site builder. You can customize fonts. You can customize how it looks, colors, backgrounds, icons. You can customize everything. But by the moment you can't customize plugins only. You can turn off only some of them. In the future, this summer, you will have ability to customize all plugins. So you can make your own plans. For example, tiny plan will have 3 or 5 icons. Light plan, for example, 5 or 10 icons. Or full plan, you can just enable or turn off it. Of course, we just have a lot of plans for e-commerce. Our e-commerce is just basic. We now we're oriented for people who don't need very professional e-commerce. We oriented for people who have already websites and do not have knowledge how to create professional e-commerce. They would like just to start. They have simple web page and they need to add 100 goods. Okay, we have this ability. Now they have next need. They need, for example, to sell it via PayPal. So we add it. Of course, in the future we'll have to add some things like delivery, like different prices. We have a lot of things we have to add to the e-commerce. So we just wait for your feedbacks, wait for your needs, and we will update it. Of course, we just will work with e-commerce. I think next 6 or 12 months we every time update it. So we just need your feedback. Of course, you can use PayPal. By the moment, it's support PayPal. You can now go to the e-commerce, enable PayPal, and it starts works immediately. So you can sell now just when you finish the presentation. No, if you buy enterprise license, if you have enterprise license, users always see only your logo, never our. So if you have enterprise plan, users never see Site.pro logo. They never see it in code, in a logo, anywhere. Just if you have enterprise plan and you use like a free plan, users will see only your logo every time. So if you buy a license, you're safe that we do not have user contacts, we do not advertise us. So people will see only your logo. While I'm waiting for other question, I just remind you that we will have next Skype only on September. The reason is we work hard on our marketplace and other updates. So it will be huge updates really. And at that September you will have totally new builder. Yes, of course, we have no website limitations. So you can have 1,000 or 10,000. We will put some numbers on our webpage maybe in close to months. We have some hostings who have 25, 30,000 with one server. So it's record, I think, by the moment. But we have lots of hostings who have some thousands or maybe 10,000 customers on one server. So if you have enterprise license and your customers publish website, there will be no any Site.pro logo. Does the field site show? So a good question. In your panel, you can click here, lock. Lock, it means that people can't remove your logo from the website. By default, each customer will have your logo on their webpage by default, but they can remove it easily. If you click here, lock, it means that people can't remove logo from their webpage. So by default, they will see your logo on each template and they can remove it. But if you click here, nobody can remove this logo. Okay, thank you, Steve. Okay, we will send subscription. We will send like a email to everybody when we have marketplace. And we will have marketplace. You can add your e-commerce by yourself. It takes, I think, about from 1 to some days, maybe from 2 hours to 16 hours to add plugin to our platform. So if you have very rare e-commerce and you understand API from their side, to study our API, I think it's about 2 hours, and to write the plugin, I think 4 to 16 hours. So waiting question from Amol. So okay, if you have more questions in the future, so Scott, okay, if you feedback, you can always write to the, you have three things just. You have ticket system, and you can write to support mail, or maybe it's better if you write to the, okay, here. So you can write to the ticket system or directly to me. So all features, we never delete your request. We just, every time if you have any suggestions, we put them on database and we like make rating for that. And if only one customer require some very difficult things, we can do everything that people require. But if you require something and lots of other people require the same thing, of course we will provide this feature for you. Okay. So you see that Skype blocks emails, so something like that. So just, we're very thankful if you have some feedbacks, because millions of people use our software. They just use, click, publish, come away, come back, and we don't know what has happened. So if we have feedback from you, it really helps to develop our product. So thank you for your time. If you have any suggestions, please inform me. And of course, you can write to the ticket system every time. And this is my personal mail. When you write, I will personally reply you. So thank you for your time.